What is up, guys? Gameplayers here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can install Underglow kit on your Tesla. And I already know what you're thinking. Isn't Underglow from 2001? Well, yeah, it is. And I think it's still pretty cool. So anyway, I'm going to be installing the best Underglow kit you can get for your car, and definitely the best looking kit. The installation did take quite a bit actually, but pretty much it's plug and play, and then just take some time to put the strips up there and mount the wires. Now, I already know there are a few Tesla Underglow videos out there, but I couldn't really find anything specifically for the Model S, so I'm kind of just throwing my own twist on it. This is a pretty short video of just me installing it. If you have any questions on how to install this Underglow on your car, or specifically your Tesla, please comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. And I've already had this kit on for a few days now. I've power washed it, I've drove through the rain, and right now every day has been over 100 degrees. So far, I've only had one issue, and that's because one of the strips that I put on didn't put on the paneling correctly, so it's coming off. But I kind of just put those sticky tabs the kit comes with and zip tied it up there, and we're good. Other than that, I am extremely happy with this kit, and hopefully you can purchase this. So let's go ahead and get into the video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more IRL things, please let me know down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you guys later.
Hold them straight next to each other. We're going to make sure the arrows are pointing the same way. So it is going to go like this. Down the side skirt here. Arrows pointing towards the back. Wires, the three of them, 3 wires. The white is going to go into the white, red into the red, and then yellow into the yellow. So I'm just going to go just like that. And then moment of truth.